But imagine you're driving along and it's like, oh, there's the ocean coming up and over the roadway. So yeah, what a wild weekend it was, all thanks to that bomb cyclone that we had. We are still feeling the effects to some extent of that cyclone well offshore, and of course is going to be gradually continuing to move well far away from us, but we still are dealing with this stormy type of weather. The showers continue. The wind won't be quite as strong, but certainly still a little bit breezy for the afternoon and evening here. 52 right now, Seaside. Let's take a look at how things are shaping up right here. A little bit of a break in the clouds. That's nice to see. You know what that means also? A chance we could still run into an isolated thunderstorm yet this early evening. How about those max wind gusts? Well, today this is what we've had so far. Portland, PDX coming in at 29 miles per hour. The top one though on the list, Newport 54, Astoria 49 miles per hour. Again, that was earlier today. How are we looking so far? This is looking at from our Subaru camera. Portland, look at that. It's continuing to rain, just not stopping yet. 54 degrees. Wind is out of the south at 11 miles per hour. Temperatures tonight will not be changing a whole lot for us. We're going to stay in the low 50s. Okay, here's the last couple of hours on our satellite radar imagery, and noticing the overall flow still coming up from the southwest and moving out to the northeast. We'll run into some isolated downpours at times. Otherwise, what you can overall expect are those moderate to light showers continuing through this evening. Here's the bigger picture. We'll continue with more of that moisture. A second system is actually going to be arriving for us a little bit later on, late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So we'll continue with the wet weather here. Let's take a look at what we're expecting heading into the next couple of days and into the following weekend. We'll continue with that wet weather at least through tomorrow into Wednesday as well. But you know, by this weekend, we might be seeing a little bit of a change in the wet pattern. Until we get to that point, though, going from tonight all the way to Thursday evening, we might be able to pick up an additional ½ inch of rain right around Salem, perhaps about 3/4 of an inch for us in Portland. Along the coast, once again, that'll be the place to see your higher totals, perhaps getting closer to about 1.5 inches there at Tillamook. Astoria, perhaps just under 2 inches. Places like Forks, Northwest Washington, that's where you could expect your highest totals. That's where the focus of moisture is going to be over the next couple of days, possibly up to 4 to 5 inches there. Out towards Pendleton and Baker City, we're looking at less than ½ inch. Okay, snow time. Talking about snow, because now our temperatures overnight are going to get colder. That means snow levels will be closer to about 4,500 to 5,000 feet. How much snow could we collect going into the next 24 hours? We might be able to pull in an additional perhaps 3 to even 6 inches. That'll be right at resort level, so just above 5,000 feet. Anywhere right around 4,500, it's likely to be 1 inch or less. I'm not expecting yet any big impacts on our mountain passes. But here's a look at your 7-day forecast. I was talking about that change on the way, so just in time for the weekend, I think we'll actually get to a chance to dry out, and you know what, just in time for Halloween, because I know the trick-or-treaters were hoping to maybe, you know, get out and about without having to worry about the rain too.
Yeah, that's good. They can wear those what do we talk about? The sexy candy corn costumes. Right?
Children?
No, not the children. I guess not the children. No.
No.
Thanks, Natasha. That is good news, though. Thank you.